Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jimmy P and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit that bell button right next to it so if I want to upload all of my videos. And of course, go and follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we live on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure you go follow me on there. So today I'm bringing y'all another hair video. Yes, girl, I know, another hair video. Duh. Girl, we're doing another hair video, okay? This one is basically me showing y'all how you are not limited by a closure. Like if you aren't a frontal girl, but you can do a closure, which is a lot more like beginner friendly, but you don't like that the closures, you can't really switch up and do different styles. Girl, I'm here to tell you this is a closure. This is a closure wig, okay? And I made it into a half up, half down with a swoop, okay? So don't feel limited to just one hairstyle when you have a closure wig. I'm gonna show y'all today how y'all can achieve this look and a lot of other looks too, even if you have a closure wig, okay? Shout out to UNice Wig. They are the sponsor of this video. They sent me this unit. It is a 24-inch, 180% density, 5x5 HD lace body wig. So they sent me this unit. It's super cute, I love 180% density because it's not like too heavy, but it's like just enough. Oh, that looks so cute. Before we get into the video, I know I am having a wig giveaway and a wig sale. So the wig giveaway is basically any wig that you've seen from this video moving forward. The giveaway will last for a month, so yes, throughout the weeks you'll be seeing different installs with my wigs and everything like that. And then I'll also be adding a couple more wigs from previous videos as well. I'll leave the links to the previous videos down below in the description box that y'all can choose from. So that will be the wig giveaway. Be mindful that with the frontal it's already customized, so it might be a little bit harder for you to tweak, whereas though with the closure wig you definitely can choose between any closure wig that I am giving away, because girl, closure wigs are made for everybody, okay? So yeah, I will be doing a wig giveaway. The giveaway rules will be down below in the description box, so just read that so you can find that out. The wig sale, however, is going to be at the end of the giveaway. So basically whichever wig was not picked for the giveaway, while we doing the sale, every wig will be less than $100 or less, just because I mean I've already worn it, and like girl, I just want to get these wigs out the way. I have so many wigs, it doesn't even make any sense. So yes, girl, I will be doing a wig giveaway and then a wig sale. Really affordable wigs. So I'm gonna give y'all more details on the wig sale more so towards the end of October. But as far as this wig giveaway, y'all have from now up into the same day but in October to get into the giveaway. So yeah, make sure you check out the description box down below to read the giveaway rules, girl, and I'll keep y'all updated on the wig sale coming soon too. So yeah, that's all. Love y'all. Let's get into this video.
Don't know if you got a girl, don't mean no disrespect, but all of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my world.
Alright y'all, so this is the wig, the unit from UNice Hair. So as you can see, it already came with a pre-plucked middle part, which is like, thank you girl, because time saver. And then it also looks like they also plucked the hairline just a little bit too. It looks really good, so they did a really good job with plucking and everything. So yeah, this is a closure wig. Y'all know I've been really into closure wigs right now, just because it's less maintenance and it's just easier to just put that thing on and go about your business. Yeah, girl, let's see what we're gonna do with her today. I want to do something different. I don't want to do just a regular middle part. Like, I want to do something different, keep it cute. And a lot of people feel like they can't style a closure wig because it's already like just a closure, it's not a frontal. But I'm gonna show y'all today we can do something with a closure wig, okay? We already know the basics of it. I'm about to put my wig cap on, put the tint on the wig cap so it can be like matching my skin complexion, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this wig on. So let's get into that. So I'm about to go in with my Leon's Beauty Anti-Age Hair Growth. Y'all know I live by, die by this. So I'm about to go in with this just because before each install I always go in with my hair serum, because number one, gotta keep your hair moisturized. I can't even find the braids, like the parts, because it's literally not even parted, y'all. But gotta keep your hair moisturized underneath and in your installs, underneath of your installs and stuff. So yeah, I definitely am gonna have to get another bottle of this because the girl is running. Get that in there, circulate it, you know, get it going, get it going, get it going. So now that I got that on, girl, now we can go ahead and do everything else. But make sure y'all stimulating y'all scalp and all of that good stuff underneath y'all units, because listen, wigs are amazing, but make sure your hair is looking just as good underneath. Okay, so yeah, shout out to Leanne's Beauty.
I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby, my sugar boo. I'm levitating, the Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night, come on dance with me. I'm levitating. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time.
Alright y'all, so I have the wig on, obviously. So I'm trying to figure out now how I should style it or whatever. I always put a wig on and I'd be like, oh, I can just leave it down. I don't have no baby hair, so don't judge how it's looking right now. But I want to do something different, you know? I'm always doing like regular middle part, blah, 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 with a curl or something. Ace is staring at me. But I'm like, I want to do something like different, you know? So I was thinking, because I could do like a braid, but I don't want to do a braid. Or I could do the half up, half down with the little things in the front, like this. And then I can just take some, not a lot, just some. And I'm gonna take some baby hairs out so it won't look as crazy. But enough hair. Make it enough. Get on my nerves already. Just, oh, that's kind of cute. Ah! Hold up, y'all. Oh, that is so, what do y'all think? Like, of course it's like messed up, but like, overall, do y'all like this? Or should I do the... Alright y'all, so y'all see what I got going on, okay? So, I'm about to make me a little baby hair since this is the only one that's technically out. I'm gonna make me a little baby hair so we can bring this thing to life. And I kind of want it to be like a longer baby hair, so I'm cutting it, you know, I'm cutting it long, basically. And I don't know where my got to be glue is, not the spray. Well, I know where it is. I just don't feel like getting up to go get it. And I know I'm gonna have to because I hate using, okay, yeah, I hate using the spray to do my baby hair, so hold on.
She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believes in shoes and cars. Put floors in the shoes and cars. Cool tour from the shoes and cars. You more like shoes and cars. I'm more of the shoes and cars.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look of the hair. I got my swoop going on, got my little half up, half down. I think it's so cute. It's kind of reminding me of like back in the day, but it's also kind of reminding me of like Snooki, you know, from Jersey Shore. Yeah, so I really love it. This just goes to show that it does not matter if you have a frontal or a closure. Of course, frontals make it a lot easier. But if you are one of them girls that aren't really into like frontals and everything like that, but you do like closures, but you want to switch up your closure, don't think you're stuck to just one hairstyle based on how the closure was sent to you. This, you see how this was sent to me, and y'all see what I done did with it, okay? Real cute. So yeah, shout out to UNice for sending me this unit, girl. Y'all, I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description box for y'all to check out. If y'all like this wig, make sure y'all go shop. I'll leave a discount code for y'all because I'm sure I have one down below in the description box as well. Yeah, let me know if y'all like this look. Like I said in the beginning of the video, y'all, do not forget to enter the giveaway down below. This is strictly just because I want to give away a wig for y'all. Like, girl, who don't want a wig? Okay, so make sure you enter the giveaway down below, and of course stay tuned for the wig sale as well, because that'll be coming soon too. Okay, so yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Share with all y'all friends, and I will see y'all in my next one.